In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see who has viewed your video or reel on Instagram. So basically, you open up Instagram and let's say you have a video. Now, you can see by likes who has liked your video, how many plays it has, and all of your comments. But the tricky thing is that you can't actually know if somebody viewed your video if they haven't done any interaction like liked it or left a comment or did any interaction. There are some third-party apps that you can potentially use to see who has viewed your videos. The first one is Report for Followers. Then we have Follow Meter for Instagram, Social View for Instagram, and Analyzer Plus. Now, these are third-party apps and they are not 100% accurate, but they will definitely give you more information than Instagram will. So, if this video helped you out, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. This helped me out if it did. If it didn't, let me know what was your problem and I will do my best to help you out.